Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set iPhone alarm to Crescendo mode. Here are some steps to set your iPhone alarm to Crescendo mode, which means the alarm sound starts soft and gradually gets louder. Unlock your iPhone. Use Face ID or your passcode to access the home screen. Open the clock app. Tap on the clock app, the block icon with a white clock face. Go to the Alarm tab. Tap on the Alarms tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon. Add a new alarm by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner. Set the alarm time for your alarm. Use the scroll wheels to choose the hour and minutes. Tap on Sound. This opens a list of available alarm tones. Choose a built-in ringtone, for example, radar or reflection. Most Apple's default ringtones gradually increase in volume. This is the iPhone's default crescendo behavior. Avoid using other sounds or songs. Custom ringtones or songs from your library do not gradually increase in volume. Tap Back. After selecting a sound, tap the back button in the top left. Toggle snooze. Enable or disable snooze depending on your preference. Tap Save. Your alarm will now be saved with the crescendo style sound. Check volume settings. Make sure your ringtone and alerts from the settings, sounds and haptics is up. iPhones respect this setting for alarm volume. iPhones don't have a labeled crescendo mode, but many default tones like radar or reflection behave this way by default. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.